Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel No Salesforce. Today we are going to learn how to check the Salesforce release updates. Means where do I check the Salesforce release updates? For that, click on this gear icon, then click on Setup. After that, in quick find box, search for release updates. Right, updates. And here you can see release updates option. Then click on this release update option. So here you can see these all are the release updates, and this second tab is due soon, means it will be done before the date which is provided on this Salesforce release update. Here you can see complete steps by 10th September, and here is view details button where you can view all the details related to this release updates. And overdue, here you can see all release update which gets overdue, and here archived. So here you can see all the archived release updates. Yeah, here on this page release updates we will get all the information about the release updates which Salesforce will enforce. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.